as I turn out all the lights. All I want from you is to listen and remember the good times. If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling good? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to.
Hey, good people. I hope all is well with you and your family. It's the weekend, and for most of us, that may mean you are finally getting a chance to clean your home. And if so, do what you have to do, honey. But this weekend, I wanted to share with you my weekend morning routine that really gets me in the mood to chill for the rest of the day. If you've been with me for a while, you know that there is no chill until my house is fully clean. Now, I do try to keep up on my housework throughout the week, if possible. If not, then I will do it on the weekend. But if you haven't been able to keep up with your housework, please don't feel like you're off track. By all means, we obviously live different lifestyles, and do what you have to do and do what works best for you. In today's video, I wanted to share some morning motivation so you can feel motivated to get your day started on how you may see fit. So after I freshen up, brush my teeth, wash my face, get the boogies out my eyes and all that other good stuff, I do like to start off with some coffee. I don't like to eat as soon as I get up, so I will go ahead and freshen up my room and my bathroom in the meantime. It's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. After I'm finished freshening up upstairs, I come down and I like to start breakfast. Today is just the two girls, me and Callie, so we're just having some bacon and eggs. I like to make my version of the $1 Million Bacon. The only thing that I don't add is the cayenne pepper and the red pepper flakes because it's just too spicy for Callie, and I particularly don't really care for spices as well. If you have a First Watch in your area, you have to try the $1 Million Bacon. It is so bomb. You close your eyes, turn hands to fists. I know that sign will make me hit. Calm down, we can fight this. Baby, calm down, let's rewind, please. Yeah, we will sin to make us last. Oh yeah, we'll drown, we'll swim too fast. Come on, we can make up. While the bacon is in the oven, I just go ahead and freshen up my living room, and that's just me putting the pillows back on the couch. I'll do a little dusting and vacuuming. Every morning I do like to open up all of my blinds, especially if it's a really nice sunny day. I love letting sunlight in my house. Too many times we made the call that this is it, let's break it all. All the love is made up, baby, drink up, this is our stuff. Yeah, so we've sinned to make us last, buried alive, cry till we laughed. Come on, we can make up, honey, come on, let's not break up. Love tonight, anything to survive.
come on, let's break up. Come on, we can make up. Honey, come on, let's break up.
So after checking the bacon, I'm moving on to the dishwasher and just emptying those dishes that we had in from last night. And I can just easily load all of the dishes that will go into the dishwasher after breakfast.
It's time to feel the heat, like a child who wants to play.
After breakfast is done, I immediately like to go ahead and start cleaning my kitchen. That way, if I needed to go run any errands, or in this case today, I'm just relaxing, I can just go ahead and relax without having to get up and pause that and go ahead and clean the kitchen. And then of course lunch will be next, so that way I'm not like making lunch and then cleaning the kitchen before I make lunch. It's just like too much that I would have to do. So I like to just go ahead and immediately start my dishes, so that way I am starting to work with a clean kitchen. In the holiday season, you will not find your girl out in many stores unless I absolutely have to. I do not like large crowds. I know because of the social distancing, I don't know if they're not allowing as much people into the stores. I'm definitely not waiting outside in the lines to get in the stores. So I will either just do my online shopping, which I did a lot of that this year, and just allow myself to relax in the house, because going out into large crowds and just having to wait in line, my patience, y'all, does not work with that. Let me know below in the comments, what are you guys doing? Have you already done with your holiday shopping? Are you still catching up? Do you still need to do some last minute shopping? And if so, will you be ordering, or will you just be going ahead and going out to the malls and to the stores? I'd love to know below in the comments.
Make my move, don't you know I can't stay, I can't stay, but it's over now, yeah, it's over now, but it's over now, yeah, it's over now. There's one real trial, only love to survive.
So today I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the scent peppermint. It smells so good, y'all. It had the whole kitchen smell like peppermint, just peppermint goodness. It was just smelling amazing. If you have the opportunity to see it in the store, please don't forget to pick it up. You will not be disappointed.
only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
As we are wrapping up this video, I hope that you have found some motivation to clean or just relax if you need to. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate the support from each and every one of you. Happy holidays and stay safe. Until next video, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.
Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are. The other night, saw you glance your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd.